Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to pin a chat from shortcuts on WhatsApp web using your PC. With WhatsApp's latest updates, managing your conversations has become even more efficient thanks to handy keyboard shortcuts. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your computer. To do this, launch your preferred browser and type WhatsApp web into the search bar. Once the page loads, use your phone to scan the QR code displayed on the screen. This will sync your chats and log you into WhatsApp web. Next, locate the chat you want to pin. Scroll through your chat list or use the search bar to find it quickly. Once you've found the chat, click on it to open the conversation. Now comes the magic step. Simply press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus P on your keyboard. This shortcut instantly pins the selected chat to the top of your chat list. Pinning a chat ensures that it stays at the top of your list, making it easily accessible whenever you need it. And that's it. You've successfully pinned a chat using a keyboard shortcut on WhatsApp web. This feature is especially useful for keeping important conversations within reach, whether they're work-related or personal. If you ever need to unpin the chat, repeat the process. Open the pinned conversation and press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus P again. The chat will return to its original position in your list. Using shortcuts like this can save time and streamline your messaging experience. Explore other keyboard shortcuts available on WhatsApp web to make your workflow even smoother. Thank you for tuning in. Try out this feature today and see how it simplifies managing your chats on WhatsApp web.